How to lock your credit in Credit Karma account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can lock your credit in Credit Karma. In order to do so, first thing first, make sure that you're well connected to an internet service and then open up any web browser of your choice. So basically, there are three different kinds of credit available in Credit Karma. The first one is Equifax, the second one is Expedia, and then the third one is TransUnion. In order to lock credit for each one of these, you'll need to do it separately. I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can actually lock your credit on Credit Karma. So for that, you need to visit this link, that is www.creditkarma.com/advice. Don't worry about the link, you can find it on my description box below. As you type in the link, it will take you to the official site, and this is how the interface is going to look like. Now this is actually a direct link to lock your credit. So what you need to do is, once you're on this page, scroll down a bit, and right in between you'll be able to find an article as how to lock your credit report at Equifax. Likewise, for the step number 2, you'll be able to find a link as how to lock your credit report at Expedia, and similarly with the TransUnion. So you can go through each one of these steps, and for example, let's say that if you have a credit of Equifax, then you need to click on the Equifax link, and as you click on it, you'll be provided with the article. In order to lock your credit of a particular bureau, you'll need to visit the official website of this particular credit. Now, for example, as I've selected Equifax, you'll be able to see an article on how you can actually lock your credit. So to lock your credit, you'll need to head over to the official website of this particular credit. Now click on the link that is Expedia's website in order to expand the link. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you need to click on the link that is lock your Expedia credit file, which is right in between. And after that, you'll be asked to provide in some additional information, and you'll need to click on the close button. You'll be notified that the credit has been closed. And similarly, for the rest of the credit, you'll need to do the same procedure. In this way, you can lock your credit on Credit Karma. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.